Alright everyone, here's another video. We're looking today at creating linear graphs from a table of values. So let's get right into it and we'll have a look at a linear relationship that we're going to graph today. We're going to graph the relationship y equals 2x minus 5. So there's a few steps we have to follow, so take note of each of these please. First thing we have to do is create a table of values. So simply draw something up looking like this and put x and y on the left hand side. Next thing we need to do is choose our own values of x, and I always like to choose -1, 0 and 1. That's pretty boring, but I like to choose those. You can actually choose whatever you like, but -1, 0 and 1 gives you something fairly easy to work with. Then the next thing we're going to do is we have to calculate the value of y for each value of x. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Our first value is we take 2 times -1 minus 5 gives us -7. And next value, 2 times 0 minus 5 gives us -5. And then finally 2 times 1 minus 5 gives us -3. Next thing we have to do is we have to plot these points on a Cartesian plane. So you need to draw this up fairly neatly and use a ruler and measure your distances very carefully so that it looks good. So we're going to plot our first point, -1, -7. Remember that our x-axis follows horizontally and our y-axis is vertical. Next point is 0, -5. And finally 1, -3. We then need to join the points together and draw a straight line all the way through the points. So we'll do that now. And notice we have arrows on both ends of the line. That means that the line goes on endlessly in both directions. Then finally we label our line with an equation. So we label it, that's our original equation, and we are finished. So go through this video a couple of times, make sure you understand all the steps and everything you're doing, and that's all for now.